Dan, I have a surprise for you.
What? Vans?
Not Vans,
Lugs?
but I have one goal for you today.
Huh? Hi, boy, digital.
Can you shoe goo these for me?
What?
Can you shoe goo these for me?
You just want the whole thing shoe gooed?
I want the entire shoe covered in shoe goo.
I got something better for you.
What you got?
So I've skated Vans like this, and this part rips.
Really?
So why don't we just shoe goo the top piece?
No, we're shoe gooing. We're covering the entire shoe.
You don't think it would look sick with just this all just?
No, I think one giant lump of shoe goo would be amazing.
Well, let's see the first option.
Here you go.
Let's see the first.
Here's more.
And then we could also shoe goo the rest if it comes to that. You ever seen the shoes that they have like this all over it? They're like some hype beast shoes.
No.
People are making fun of them.
I think you're gonna have to smooth it out with something too.
Oh God.
What? The fumes?
Yeah, hurt my chest. That's probably not good.
Oh, let me find a cleaner one.
The
Here. Oh gosh, that is strong. Wow, look at that.
We should have taped the rubber though.
Wow, there's something so pleasing about that. Oh, geez, dude, that is really strong. Dude, that looks crazy.
Smell it. Don't.
I can smell it from here, dude.
Don't smell it.
I think it'll skate great. I mean, I've had Shoe Goo shoes before, and they work. You know.
And we have goofy and regular people, so we can do a certain amount of tricks, goofy and regular, and then test the wear and tear before and after.
I like where your brand's at.
That first time I breathed in like a bunch of it, and it was literally like painful on my lungs, and I don't want to do that again.
We're covering an entire shoe in shoe goo, top and bottom, entire thing covered.
Oh, the sole too?
You smell that? Yeah, the sole too.
Yeah, it made my heart hurt hella bad.
Did it?
Yeah, I'm
dude,
not
that's
gonna
the
lie.
oozy thing. Do you want to do it outside?
This is definitely terrible for us.
When you look at the shadow of that plant, when you look deep within it, what shape do you see? What do you see?
A gremlin.
Okay, that's good.
A Furby.
It can be a shit too.
One piece.
Okay, where's the shoe?
It's over there. I'm giving it a fume break.
Leave it in the comments below what will happen to us if we breathe this in. Actually, don't. I'd rather not know. All right, JD, are you ready for this box?
Yep, thanks.
Good catch.
We got lugs, short for Lugia shoes.
Wow.
So, shout out Lugia. Oh my God.
I built these for you, and this is your reaction.
Should I reveal the other one first? Or should I
No.
reveal the big shabam?
I mean, the people have already seen this, because we've been building this for like a week.
Okay, well, dude, this looks...
You're size 10?
I am not a size 10. I got some insoles. Ooh, these insoles aren't that bad. Okay. Dude, this is... Oh,
Come on, a shoe goo,
crazy.
it's what the fans wanted.
okay.
I want to say one thing.
Yeah.
If
I
it's
know
the fans, I wouldn't argue, but you get the two people that have the same size, and you get the mismatched size. Now we have to...
We're the same size.
Like, now we have to work harder and then try not to complain to people like, yeah, this is actually really hard.
No, Mo, you're allowed to complain.
I'm only gonna complain because it's like not fitting on and it's gonna feel so awkward.
It's gonna be so hard to like bend. Look at
So,
that.
JD, you are the representative of the Shoe Goo shoe.
Team Shoe Goo. I gotta put in
And
my-
you are the representative of the regular shoe.
Oh yeah, I got this.
And you guys have to do the same tricks on every different obstacle to compare.
except for Vert.
Each one.
Except for Vert. He's doing that.
Hey, Vert too. Drop in.
I can't take these insoles
This
off.
is sketch.
Why?
You're
How do they
right.
feel,
I
Mo?
should probably put this on.
Are they
feel-
actually really big?
Yeah. Ooh, that looks nice.
That
Pink
looks
pink
good.
on black looks beautiful.
Okay.
How do they feel, JD?
If you leave it in the comments below. Is Frank Ocean gonna be at Coachella? This might come out after Coachella, but I hope he is.
When is Coachella?
I don't even know. March.
April.
Yeah,
Oh,
this
yeah,
isn't
coming
this
up.
is coming out before April.
Do you think Frank Ocean's going to Coachella? Gabe says no. I say, yeah. I hope he does, even though I can't go. Still be sick.
All right, first things first. How do they feel, Mo? Regular shoes.
Hey,
Like they don't fit me.
They fit me.
They fit you because they're stiff. This is like not stiff. Look. Like, look at this. This is bendy and it's already like trying to fly
The
off.
only thing is, my new insoles, the insoles that I just put in, are like right here.
And that's
It's
why
not all
it
the
fits.
way over
That's why it
there.
fits.
Yeah.
Flag ground first, kickflip.
You want to go first or paper, rock, scissors?
I think Rochambeau.
Woo! Dude, everyone's been picking rock. I've been playing rock, paper, scissors.
Let's rebate then.
Oh my God! I knew something.
Come on.
Wait, who goes first? I'm confused.
Tie break.
All right. Oh, you've changed it. Ah, let's go.
Does that mean you're first?
Yep. Oh God, these feel so bad. Don't bend. All right, what should I do first? Oh,
Yeah,
kickflip.
kickflip.
Oh, kickflip. Oh, that was so bad.
That's probably the best kickflip I've ever seen you do.
That's rude.
Oh. I was telling myself that.
In terms of look test, Mowgli, you look like you have phenomenally more grip on your shoe than JD does on his Shoe Goos.
They're a 5, but if they were my size, definitely a 10.
JD, what do you have to say about yours? Zero.
Two. I'll go with 2.
0.
I know that.
White
guy.
van. 1 white van. All right, on to the next.
The flat bar, the bump to bar, what do you talk to me?
You got to do flat bar first.
Flat bar.
All right.
Way better than mine.
What would you rate
The
your
shoe on this,
for that trick?
it feels like it's sliding now. What does it remind you?
Like how stiff it is, it reminds me of the ice shoes, except it's not cold, because it's so stiff.
Wait, what do you rate yours?
A 3 for this one.
3.
It felt good.
And what do you rate yours?
For this one, I'll rate this one a solid 5.
Okay.
Wasn't too bad for that one.
All right. Okay. Flat bar is done.
Your turn.
Now,
Hip. Cruz gets to choose the obstacle.
you know, let's go hit. Let's go hit.
Okay.
JD, you're first. And
if I
trick,
fall?
let's just do a solid backside flip.
What if I fall? Does he have to?
You guys get to keep going until you land it.
Oh, that was still bad.
How would you rate your shoes in that backside
1.
flip? A 1?
1.
Why?
You saw.
What? It looks
just
like you
saw.
flipped. It just looked like you didn't turn enough. And you got to work on your backside flips.
I'm going with 1, too.
What?
That was the most.
Dude, it felt so
It
weird.
did not feel good.
All right, go write down your scores. On to the next obstacle, which is the A-frame. I got a good trick for this one. All right, the trick I want to see on the A-frame is a heel flip. Oh! Oh! Mowgli, do you want to redo that?
No, no!
Oh my. Oh my God. Okay, JD, what is your score for this heel flip?
6.
Good stuff. And you get a 2?
Because it felt like someone just went, bah.
Why are the regular shoes worse than the Shoe Goo shoes so far?
You don't.
Next obstacle, the manual pad.
Oh my God, I can't do anything on this.
I want to see.
GC01 wants to see a good old-fashioned nose manual.
Yeah. He's flying. All right, Mowgli, how would you rate your nose manual in these shoes?
4.
JD, how would you rate your nose manual?
1.
1. Why is that?
It didn't feel good. Bro, you saw me run for like 10 miles?
Okay, we are now moving on to
The bump to bar, up and down.
Shoot,
That's 2
I'm
different
first.
sections.
I just peeled this apart. Bump to bar? I gotta go first on the bump to bar.
Bump to
since
bar.
you went first.
The trick I would like to see
Oh, you gotta choose, that's right.
is a back feeble.
You don't like that trick? I've seen you do feeble kickflip though.
What was that?
Oh! What in the world?
How did I even get out of that? I don't know.
Damn! What's going on with your feeble? Go ahead and give it a rating.
Dude, that's a 0. I ain't
0?
playing.
Honest. Is
That-
honest
that-
0?
That was a 0 for sure.
Why?
Because I'm telling you, Gabe, if you're ever gonna put me and JD's, please get us a size 9 or 8.5.
All right, JD, what was
8.
your rating? 8?
If you don't feel comfortable in the shoe, obviously you're not gonna do you're not gonna perform well.
The next obstacle is the down rail. What trick do I want on that?
Front lip.
Dude, my foot like fell off a little, or it felt like it did. It felt like I went like, eh.
So what is your score?
I'm rating that 3.
You're a 5.
5? All right.
The next obstacle is the 3 stair. The trick that I would like to see down the 3 stair is a half cab. I feel like a half cab is a good indicator of the slidability of a shoe?
4.
4?
Yeah.
Why, they didn't grip?
I mean, it gripped, but I felt like I couldn't move my foot if I wanted to.
And Mo,
Mine feels the opposite. It felt like it could fly off, and it just doesn't feel snug.
so what's your score?
But maybe that's just me and not the shoe, so I'm gonna say 4.
Next up, the handrail. The trick I want to see on the handrail is a frontside 50-50.
I didn't even feel safe hopping on this.
These shoes do not feel safe.
You can opt out of a challenge if you would like and give it a 0.
Yep, 0.
Oh.
I'll give it a 0 too. And I
Oh,
don't care.
really? Why?
Because it's not safe. Like, I feel like you need to understand, wrong
no,
size.
I get it, but I'm saying just how do they feel?
This is what it feels like. Look, it just slides off. Like, it feels like I'm clenching the top of my toes to do this so it doesn't fly off.
So both 0s.
Look at
Oh,
that.
what the heck? Is it fully coming off? Dang, that's not good.
Okay, next up, the 5 stair. The trick I want to see down the 5 stair is a backside 180.
Felt so bad.
I didn't want to feel that. I didn't want to feel that. Feels like I'm doing an ollie north in the shoe.
All right, what's your rating, JD?
0.
0?
Big 0.
What,
I ain't trying.
dude?
I'm not promoting this shoe at all. Do not get it.
Okay, and last but not least for this part is the 3 block. The trick I want to see on the 3 block is a double kick. I'm just kidding, a ollie.
Yay! I can actually do that one.
Ollie?
Just an ollie. And how is your rating for this
Hi.
ollie, JD?
Wasn't too bad. I'll give it a 6.
Mowgli?
That didn't feel that bad. I'll give it a 5.
Okay.
All right, onto the mini ramp and then the vert ramp. All right, the trick I want to see on the mini is a kickflip rock to fakie.
Mowgli, you gotta go first.
May the skate gods bless me right now.
Oh!
Sketch, but I'll take it.
First tee. Mowgli, what is your rating?
That one, it's just so uncomfortable, and it sucks that I really am judging it based on not being my size, but that is a 3.
3?
That's
okay.
my first 8.
Wow.
Yeah, that felt pretty good. I got a good grip on that one.
And the vert ramp is our final obstacle. JD, I would like to just see you sesh it, and Mowgli, I'd just like to see you drop in.
Session?
Could I just go first?
Or not session. Do like an air or something like that.
Can I just go first?
You're taking a 0, aren't you?
I don't want to live up to what he's about to do. You know what I mean?
Yeah, go drop in.
Okay, thank you.
Mowgli, what you're doing right now is something I'll never do in my entire life, so I'm really proud of you.
Speedy get out.
What is your rating?
A 10, because I'm surprised I did it.
What is your rating, good sir?
6.
All right, the final scores have been tallied. JD, your total rating of the shoes is 50. Mowgli, your total rating of the shoes is 42, which means the Shoe Goo shoes are the superior shoes. Leave it in the comments below if you saw that coming. I certainly didn't. On a side note, the style contest between Mowgli and JD. Mowgli ended up with the total score of 93, and JD ended up with a total score of 90, which makes Mowgli the winner. Who would have seen that coming? Leave it in the comments below. There it is. Shoe Goo shoes, created by me and Uzi and the rest of the Braille team. That's how it's done. We make quality stuff around here, people. Leave it in those comments below. We'll see you in the next video.